Hello and welcome to the introductory recording for Module 9, ED 584. This module introduces the factorial ANOVA, specifically with a focus on the two-way between subjects design. Just as a heads up, this topic is a bit more involved and conceptually tricky than our previous work with one-way ANOVAs. When we examined the one-way ANOVA, there was a single independent variable. And variable, you can use the word factor in place of that word variable. So independent variable, independent factors. And with the ANOVA, we were looking at a single independent variable at multiple levels. In the case of what we're moving into with the two-way factorial ANOVA, we add an additional independent variable to the research design and analysis. In other words, the two-way notation indicates that there are two independent variables, two independent factors. The analysis examines the relationship between the factors and the dependent variable. The analysis allows us to examine the data for interaction effects between the factors. In fact, investigating interaction effects is a primary reason to implement a factorial ANOVA design. For this module, we're going to keep it at just two independent variables, but one could expand to a three-way factorial ANOVA. In social science research, we usually stay to designs with no greater than three independent variables. In this module, I have added four videos made by Dr. Kitchell in previous semesters introducing you to the factorial ANOVA concepts. I've also added a YouTube video that also you can use as an introduction to factorial ANOVA. The readings from the statistics for the behavioral science, we ask that you read chapter 14, and there's also a complementary PowerPoint. And then in the how to use SPSS 6.7. There's also a web link where you can go to the social research website and read more about the factorial ANOVA. The assignments for this module is to complete quiz number 8, available in Blackboard Learn, and to post your module reflection. Several reminders. We are moving close to the midterm of the semester. During this module, we will be having a optional face-to-face discussion meeting in Moscow on March 7th from 3 to 6 p.m. As soon as I get the room for that in the Targhee Hall, I will let you know. Also, a reminder that the draft research proposal is due on March 15th, and I can answer questions about that at our meeting on March 7th. Excuse me. We're just short 2 months away from the end of the semester. Deadline for the final project and final presentation. So please be cognizant of that. And you probably need to be moving to where you begin the process of creating your final project and then thinking about the presentation. As with everything, do not hesitate to let me know. Drop me an email. Give me a phone call. Several of you have been communicating with me, and I've worked with a couple of you over the phone to clarify some of the statistics, some of the interpretations of t-values, and things such as that. Again, feel free to let me know if you have any questions or concerns. We're almost to spring, so enjoy the better weather we're having, and see most of you in Moscow during this module. Thank you.